Okay, first, foremost din na to basically is ang safety sa mga delegates. And set na nato right after the sinulo, kompleto na ang atong pagpangandam. In fact, yesterday, that was Sunday, that was the first tour na atong ihatag sa mga delegates. And they were very happy. I think there were about 12 of them. Nagsugod na din sa atong city government sa City Hall. Ihatid sa dito sa Magdalens Cross, natin sa Basilica. And after Basilica, we went to Port San Pedro and then padulong dito sa atong Malacanang. Now, that was very short. Now, this coming 28, mas taghan. I think there will be about 5 youth from mga ministers who join. Yeah, ilang mga cars, itong minister cars dito. And that would be a very tight security arrangements. Because imagine na wabot sila sa City Hall at i-welcome. Kung man natin sila welcome, we'll give them certain short explanation na ako dito. After that, na ang atong mga sinulong dancers. Then there would be a reenactment sa pagkuhan sa cross. And then from there, we're going to go to the Basilica, the same thing. And then ride sila sa ilang car. Okay? And then we were going to go to Parian. Okay? And from Parian, we're going to Port San Pedro. And then padulong tayo dito sa Malacanang. And tayo Heritage Museum. Then they are going to go to Casa Gordo. So diharat ako to. And after that, ang DOT, mga tayo pumahala nila. But for now, I would say we're very prepared.